She is beautiful, she is young, she is in her prime years, and she's the Ita Wazimamoto kind of hot. She is giving the elevated chef vibes. She has completely elevated your regular cooking videos with her very interesting outfits. She's cooking for your mens, she is feeding them, she is giving them a little show while at it. Kaya, have mercy, you don't want to break my heart. Take what's mine, don't hurt me, steal my money, steal my car. Don't take my man, don't take my man. I say don't take my man, cause you know you can put the pot down. And the chicken broth Kaya. If you guys don't know what I am talking about, I don't know what you've been watching online, because this girl, Cooking with Kaya, has taken over the internet, and wives all over the world are singing this song because they are convinced that Cooking with Kaya is out here to get the man. She is beautiful, she is young, she is in her prime years, and she's the Ita Wazimamoto kind of hot. She is giving the elevated chef vibes. She has completely elevated your regular cooking videos with her very interesting outfits. She's cooking for your mens, she is feeding them, she is giving them a little show while at it. She's flaunting them tighties, and them tighties are looking good. They're sitting well on her chest. She's giving them a little twerk, and the badanka dunk is badanka dunking. It is giving all the matter core. You can only get that if you speak Swahili. So let's see some of our videos so you guys can understand what I am talking about.
Girl, I can steal your man with this dinner I just cooked, bro. Take a good look. Welcome to another video with Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Honestly speaking, I don't know why so many girls are hating on her. I personally think she's very interesting in her own way, and we can all agree that her theme song is quite catchy. It's probably because of the twerking, I don't know. Cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya. Hey, T.O.C with Lizzie, T.O.C with Liz. If you guys don't subscribe to my channel, I'm showing them titties next. I'm joking. It's never happening. All right, the tacos are looking good, and the taco is looking good as well. So you guys have seen how interesting her videos are, and the men's are absolutely loving it. They're saying that finally there's a girl who understands what a man wants, and the wives are hating her for these very reasons. What in the street is that homes are breaking up because the husbands cannot stop binge watching Cooking with Kaya. So let's see a video of the Cooking with Kaya effects.
I can't watch Cooking with Kaya.
Wait a minute. Can you guys see the reflection of the girlfriend in the mirror behind the guy? She's holding a pan up just in case he needs to be sent back to factory settings.
No more, because my girl actually can cook better than her, and she's good at what she do, and she the best cook that I ever seen since we got together.
She's like, you better tell them, but you better tell the world that my cooking be slapping more than Cooking with Kaya's. I don't think this is real. I think it's for content creation, but either way, I find it so hilarious, and you guys get the idea. Now, if you are a person of faith like myself, this may not be a groundbreaking idea for you. Personally, I don't know how I'd explain this outfit to my church people, especially to my pastor. I go to the Akorino church, and this would be disastrous. This would be calling for like a whole month of deliverance from morning to evening. We don't play at my church. But I see a girl who's realized that there's a special place for nudity and nakedness in the industry. I mean, we've seen female celebrities rolling down the red carpet to the Grammys literally naked, and the world has loved it. The world has completely embraced it. So in her thinking, if other girls can do it and cash in on it, why can she also do it and capitalize on her sexuality? I think that's the whole idea. It is the bag, it is the bag. Let's see what people are saying on her comment section. So she's receiving a lot of love. Also, she's receiving a lot of hate, especially from women. And I get why. Someone said, I know I don't have the right to say this, but without the makeup, I feel like she's a 5. Ouch. Girl cannot think she is all that. Like, you ain't ugly, but you ain't a 10 either. Oh my goodness. All these are women. Women are really hating on her. There are people who copy-pasted the Lord's Prayer on the comment section. I don't know why. Someone said, waiter, 1 glass of attention, please. That's a dude. Kumbe Kaya ni msapere, nakadhufu, nakapiro kwa umbari. This one is so Kenyan. His name is Zach Kags. And yes, I agree with you, Zach. I've also noticed that there are potatoes in like all of her recipes. So it's very safe to say that haka ni kanyandaro. This is a girl from Murim. Someone also said, najua mko hapa. That one is also Kenyan. Tukose tuchekwe. We Kenyans, we are everywhere. Why are y'all hating on her? I'm so confused. I'm also confused. His name is Bri. Bri? I don't know. I'm also confused. So Angie, with a McDonald's chicken profile, said, I fear this is giving Ice Spice's career. Yeah, that is so true. That is so true. I agree with Angie. I also feel like the nudity, the twerking, the nakedness, you know, how she expresses herself, all of it is overshadowing the very thing that she's trying to convince the world that she's doing, which is sharing her culinary skills with us. The nudity, the twerking, that could also be the main content in her cooking videos. And this is why men are flocking her pages, saying that they're there for the stick recipe. But sir, we already know it's not even for the chicken marinade. There are no recipes to follow in her cooking videos. And I've also seen men saying that she's giving wifey material, she's oozing femininity. And while that may be true, I feel like there's so many beautiful girls on the internet who are doing homemaking videos, who are doing cooking videos with actual cooking recipes to follow, but these guys are not watching their videos. So it's very safe to say that it's because Kaya is playing into a character they really like, and that's why they're flocking her pages. I feel like now that she has like over 1 million followers, it's time she cleans up her brand. Otherwise, she's going to find herself gravitating towards being an OnlyFans model, because the twerking, the nudity may not be sustainable for whatever her career is in the long term. People will get tired of it, and she might take that route out of frustration because the bills gotta get paid. So I feel this could actually be another sad Ice Spices ending if she is not careful. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. My name is Liz Wanjiru, and this is the first episode of T.O.C, the Opinionated Christian. Also subscribe to my channel for more episodes like this one, and I am going to see you on my next video.